Hey guys, Brendan from TAT here, just reminding you that there's under 1 week until our next webinar on high voltage battery state of health testing. Now if you're thinking, I don't see EVs, what do I care about this? Think again. Part 1, we are going to focus heavily on hybrid battery testing, and that's something that we're starting to see a lot of all across Australia in workshops now. So I want you to leave with real facts, figures, procedures, real world case studies of how do we approach these jobs and how do we give good, confident advice. Now this is predominantly scan tool based stuff. We don't need any fancy tooling. This is stuff that we have access to. It's just knowing what data to look at, how to analyze it, and perhaps some calculations to do later. So as I say, part 1, we're going to focus heavily on hybrid batteries, so you'll be able to take care of particularly all those Toyotas that are coming in now. We are going to jump into lithium ion, particularly in part 2, and that goes through all the different types of lithium ion chemistries, different things that we need to consider for the different chemistries. Again, facts, figures, what's good, what's bad, temperatures, voltages, all kinds of things, so that we can go through and be confident with what you're doing. So under 1 week, I'd love to see you at the webinar, guys. I'll catch you there.